Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you guys this new Pi Connect wallet website where users can actually connect their Pi to this particular website. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually set up this particular website yourself and how the platform actually works. So I'm going to be doing a step-by-step guide on all of that. Alright, so as you can see, this is actually the front end of this front page of this particular website. Everything's already talking about Pi already, as you can see. Everything is about Pi. Alright, so this is just all about the front end. Alright, so if user want to actually connect their Pi wallet to this particular website, so you just need to click on activate P2P marketplace. So once you click on that, alright, let's wait for it to load. Perfect. So users can actually connect their wallet from any of these ones. So you can just click on whether they want to do that Fireside or anything. Just click on, let's say I want to connect my wallet now, so let's click on wallet. Alright, so you can see now user will now have to actually put in their Pi wallet free. So we put a random text right here. So let's say this actually like their Pi phrase now. So once they click on unlock with phrase, click on unlock with phrase. Right, loading. Alright, please provide the 24 word. Okay. So once you just see that, let me change this, put something else. So once you click on unlock with passphrase, so once you just see this error like this, the details have already been sent down to the email which you will set up on this particular website. Right, so that's just all about the connect wallet part. So next part I'm going to show you guys how you can actually set up this particular website. Alright, so next part is actually show you how you can set up this particular website. So once you put your domain name and hosting, then have your cPanel details. Once you log in, take you straight to this particular dashboard which you are seeing right now. Okay, so all you just have to do is to scroll down and click on look for file manager. This particular one right here, click on file manager. Alright, so once you click on file manager, just click to load, then click on public underscore HTML. This particular one right here, just open that. Then for this tutorial, I'm going to be using a subdomain, but if you want to upload your own inside the public underscore HTML, you can just click on upload right here. But I've created the subdomain already for this, so I'll just put that inside this one right here. Alright, okay, as you can see, the directory is empty, so I'll just click on upload. So if you are doing yours inside the public underscore HTML, or you are putting yours inside a subdomain or inside a folder, whatever place you are putting it, just do the same process which I'm actually still doing. Alright, so click on select files. So I just upload the file right there, click on it. So you just have to wait for it to finish uploading. So depending on your network, it should be very fast. So once you get to 100% and the color change to green, just know that the file has finished uploading. Alright, let's wait for it to finish uploading. Alright, perfect. So it has finished uploading, so we can cancel this, then come back here, just click on reload. Once you reload, right click and click on extract, then extract files. So extract file right here. Alright, it's extracting. Alright, so once you see this, just know that the file has finished extracting. Then you can close this, or you can click on this one right here. So just click on close, then reload. Don't need this zip file again, so we can click on it, then delete, then select, move, delete it. right? So once this folder is here, then you can click on it, then select all, then you click on move. You just have to move it directly to, I created a subdomain, so this is my subdomain, but if your own inside the public underscore HTML, you should have something like this. All right, so on inside the public my subdomain, so I just have to clean that folder name and click on move files. All right, perfect. So the next thing now is to actually set up the SMTP so that those details will be sent directly to your email. All right, so to actually do that, the first thing you need to do is first to locate that particular file where you can set up your SMTP. So you just go to wallet right here, wallet. All right, on see wallet, you click on functions.php, right click and click on edit. All right, so once you open this now, we should set up your email. So to create your email, just go back to your tools, this particular part right here, look for email account, or you can just search for it right here. So email account, click on email account. All right, so once you click on email account now, so yeah, this is where you can create your email. So you can just click on create. So to create your email, you can just put, maybe you want to put no reply, support, or anything, you can just put it right here. Then you put your password right here, then you just click on create. So once you create that, you have something like this right here. All right, so let me say I want to use this particular email right here, mail at, just copy that, mail at, copy this right here. Then for your host, you just be your domain name. So this is my domain name, so just put that. For your host to be your domain name. For your username right here, you can just put that email right here, and your password will go right here. Then your send from will still be the same email inside this single quotation mark right here. Then same thing goes here. Then here you can just be the name, so that once they actually fill the form and they send it to you, you can just okay, this thing is coming from this particular place. All right, so that's all for setting the SMTP. So to set up the email that will be receiving those details, this is where you set it. You need to receive the phrase, so you can just put your email right here. So once you put the email right here, any phrase they fill on that front side will be sent directly to your email. All right, so that's all for this particular video. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.